They noticed one of those creepy Virginia ice cream trucks parked at a gas station, so they decided to follow it, and after about 15 minutes, it pulled into a neighborhood where the people inside stepped out wearing strange costumes and were caught hiding something in the trunk of another car.
Damn, that's a van that will take you hostage.